everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a killer 1966 Chevrolet Corvette Roadster. Killer car, guys. Love the way this car is equipped. To me, it's the only way to buy these mid-60s Vettes. It's got the red lines, the knockoffs, and the side exhaust. There is just nothing that sounds like these cars. This is an older restoration. It was done around 04, 05, but it was a complete frame off and very nicely done. Factory color combination. This is Sunfire yellow. It's got the black interior, black convertible top. I did put some photos of the top in there as well. It has, these are not true knockoffs. Those are bolt-on with a simulator cap. So don't think that it has original knockoffs on it. Again, you can see the side exhaust. 327, 300 horse engine, Muncie 4-speed manual trans. Just a sweetheart, man. Runs and drives just as sweet as can be. Again, I love these cars. There's nothing like a mid-60s Vette. Good car. Like I say, very nicely done. A couple little things you can see over here in the corner there that, what do you call it, needs to be adjusted a little bit. The latch. Hood's a little bit low over there. Chrome, it looks like they've replaced all the chrome. There, I just can't imagine, touch-up spot there. There's very many miles on this Resto. Even though it's older, I mean, you're just not going to pick at this car. It's just a nice car. So I can't imagine they put very many miles on this car. Blemish there, but it's really just little stuff you'd be picking at. Nice car. Again, this is the original color. Again, you can see that's a little low there. Should be able to adjust that up though. Glass is nice. Car hits the road great. We know it's an era correct. It's a early 60s 327. It's a 300 horse block. I know they've got the 350 horsepower sticker. It's not. It's 300 horse. The block's been decked, so the numbers off the front pad are gone. So, you know, somebody can try to call it original. There's no way to document that now. 4-barrel. You can see it's got the Corvette finned aluminum valve covers. Got the correct ram's horn exhaust manifolds. Looks like it's got the correct style radiator. Does have 4-wheel disc brakes. It Muncie 4-speed manual transmission. We do have the photos of the Resto, so those, as a matter of fact, they're in the car. I took a photo of them so you can see them. These are, again, they're not true knockoffs. There's lugs underneath those caps. You can see that A-pillar chrome. You can pick at that a little bit. Mirror's nice. Door handles have definitely been replaced. Oh, you know what? I've kind of messed up here. Normally I go around, man. I apologize. I've gotten a little ahead of myself. Sorry, man. I've gotten a little ahead of myself here with what I'm doing. I've kind of messed the guys up. I was wondering why Nathan wasn't out here. Bucket seats, center console, T-handle 4-speed shifter, stock steering wheel. They have refurbished all those gauges, even the clock works. Power antenna works. Matter of fact, we've got it up here, but I couldn't get the station to come in on the radio. Factory tacking gauges, all that stuff works. It is a Muncie 4-speed manual trans, stock rear end. Again, power antenna does work. I'm gonna slow myself down here and kind of go back. There's certain angles I like to give you on cars, so I apologize, I missed them. Got a little ahead of myself here with my video. Hold on, Eddie, I messed up here. Normally I show these guys all the angles on the car. Sorry guys. It's actually been a few days since I've done one of these things. Again, very nice underneath. As always, there'll be photos of the bottom of the car on southernmotors.com. Please make sure that's where you're viewing us. A lot of problems right now with scams. A lot of people calling us up with cars that are really ridiculously priced. Somebody steals our photos and puts them on their ad. Happens all the time. Don't fall for it. Make sure that you're on southernmotors.com. Again, I apologize, man. I got a little ahead of myself. Little touch-up mark there. Interior's really nice. Seats have definitely been redone, repadded. There's your photos actually under there for the resto. It's got all the correct seat belts in it. Again, really nice that those gauges have all been refurbished. Same thing there, you can kind of pick at that a little bit. How do you come out here and help me, Eddie? Are all functional. Car's holding good oil pressure. Yeah, it's on the side there. Do it the other way. It works. I don't know if you noticed that. It's on the side of the center console there. That's where the power antenna. Put your turn signals back on. Just give it a second, Nathan. Yeah. There you go. Other one. There you go. We're good. All right. Yep, all your lights are working. Again, love the side exhaust. A little rev, Nathan. Couldn't get a station to come in. It's got power. Blower motor works, but I don't know if didn't really get a station. Wipers are functional. Remember, you gotta give them a minute, yep. You have to open them with the switch. Yep, keep going. Keep going, yep, keep going, keep going. Yep, we got a bulb out on this side. We'll check it. Go ahead and close them down. Yep, you got your turn signal on, yep, good. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram, our Facebook page, our TikTok page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you got a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Great way to keep track of us. great day, guys.